The function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 upon x minus 3. For x less than 3, find an expression for f inverse of x. So f of x is equal to y, and y is equal to 2x plus 1 upon x minus 3. So in this equation, y is our subject. To find the inverse, we have to make x our subject. So y in its place, this x minus 3 is being divided. So we'll just move it to the other side of the equal sign and it will multiply with y. So y into x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. So yx minus 3y, let's shift this 2x to the other side, minus 2x equals 1. Now if we simply shifted this minus 3 back to the other side, because we are trying to make x our subject, so we'll get yx minus 2x equals 1 plus 3y. Now if we take x from these two common, we'll get x into y minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3y. Now if the y minus 2 is being multiplied with this x, if we shift it to the other side, we'll get the y minus 2 being divided. So x is equal to 1 plus 3y upon y minus 2. Now the final step is that we have to find the f inverse of x. So it can't be equal to x. So we'll just change the sign of x and y. So the final answer will be f inverse of x is equal to 1 plus 3x upon x minus 2. Moving on, the B part suggests that given that f of x is equal to px plus q over r plus sx, and we have to find the possible values of the integers p, q, r and s. So just let's put the function f into f. So 2x, and in the place of x we'll have to put the function again. So let's just say 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1, and this is upon x minus 3. So in the place of x we'll put 2x plus 1 upon x minus 3, and this is minus 3. Now to solve these, we'll first multiply this 2 in this place, so we'll get 4x plus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 3, and the denominator will not change for the moment, so 2x plus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 3. Now to add these integers, now to add or subtract these integers, we'll have to make the denominator same. So we'll multiply x minus 3 with 1 and it will automatically multiply with its denominator. Same case for the denominator of the bigger equation. So 4x plus 2 plus x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 9. Now after we multiplied this denominator with 3 to finally subtract it, and same case is with the numerator, now you'll see that both the denominator and the numerator are being divided by x minus 3. So we just took it as common and We removed it. Now the equation we are left with is this. So let's just simplify this. 4x plus x is equal to 5x, plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 upon 2x minus 3x is equal to minus x, and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So 5x minus 1 upon 10 minus x. As you can see, px is equal to 5x, so p is equal to 5, q is equal to minus 1, r is equal to 10, and s of x, we have to find x, sorry, we have to find the s. So this is minus x or minus 1x. So s is equal to minus 1. So these are the answer of these parts.